Getting ISO certified can feel incredibly high stakes, and unexpected gaps can delay your certification for months. That's why a pre-assessment registration audit is the ultimate tool for success. Think of it as a comprehensive dress rehearsal for the real thing, a thorough, realistic look into the official audit process before it actually counts. By participating in a pre-assessment, your team gains firsthand practical experience in handling an audit and interacting with auditors. It lets you get comfortable with the registrar's specific audit team practices and communication styles. Ultimately, this dress rehearsal compares how your current quality systems stack up against the standard, identifying your exact strengths and weaknesses so there are zero surprises on opening night. What makes this so valuable is that it completely streamlines your entire timeline. A pre-assessment helps you eliminate unnecessary preparations, ensuring you don't waste valuable resources over engineering things that aren't even required. Instead, it allows you to focus 100% of your attention on the specific areas in need of strengthening. Because pre-assessments can be done virtually, they fit seamlessly into your schedule, dramatically reducing the amount of time, travel costs, and the internal pressure usually spent on getting certified. Just remember the golden rule. A pre-assessment is client-driven. You are in the driver's seat, which means you can intentionally show the auditor your weakest areas to get honest feedback. However, this is not a consultation. The auditor can point out a gap, but they cannot tell you how to fix it. Think of it as having a complete study guide before the final test. No surprises on exam day. If you're ready to save time, cut unnecessary costs, and guarantee a seamless registration, reach out to the team at Perry Johnson Registrars today to schedule your pre-assessment.